So many of you have faced this problem after installation of the virtual machine. The setting, the OK button on the setting is great or it's disabled. To resolve this problem, the solution of the problem is very simple. You need to restart your computer and go to the BIOS setting of the computer. So I am closing all this and restarting my now my machine is restarted. So I'm going to the BIOS setting. Okay, it's BIOS setting, you can see. Okay, so now I'll go to system configuration. Remember, it's system configuration. Here you need to enable this virtual technology. Enabled and 7 exit saving changes. Yes. Okay, now the machine is restarted. Let's open virtual machine and let's see is the problem is solved or not. Go to setting. Okay, see, the problem has been resolved. So if you're facing this problem, you can solve this problem following these methods. Please like, share, comment. If you like my video,